Hello everyone, so if you want to charge your Xiaomi Smart Band 9, first of all you're to open the box and find your charging cable. It's simple, one has a USB side and one end has this two metal contacts. So attach the contacts to the back of your band, just like this. Here you can see your magnet port, right? And attach the second part of it to a USB adapter. It can be any kind of USB, your computer, laptop. If you have an adapter that converts USB A to USB-C or micro USB, depending on your phone, you can connect it to your phone, basically anything that has a USB adapter. Once it's attached, you can see, let me show it to you once again, you can see all the charging information right here. Charging from 0 to 100% takes something about an hour. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.